Hare Krishna friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the 5th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, which is Karma Sannyas Yoga. In this chapter, Lord Krishna explains the concepts of action with detachment and renunciation in actions, explaining that both are the means to the same goal. Here, he explains how salvation is attained by implementing these paths. Thus, this chapter is entitled as Action and Renunciation. Arjun asks Lord Krishna whether the path of renunciation or the path of action is better for him. Lord Krishna replies that both paths are good, but that the path of Karma Yoga is more direct. The path of renunciation and the path of action both lead to the self if practiced deeply. Both the wise sage and the doer of Karma Yoga practice action, whether it be action in battle or action of the mind in studying scriptures without attachment to the results. Ignorance of the self is what causes men to act badly. Lord Krishna insists that wise men regard all beings as equal, understanding that the self at the core of all beings is the same, only clothed in different bodies. This chapter mixes the concepts of renunciation or sannyas with the previously discussed idea of the knowledge yoga path, because both ideas are used relatively interchangeably here. It can be assumed the path of renunciation is also the path of Sankhya Yoga, or the yoga of wisdom and knowledge. Lord Krishna says that both are legitimate paths to the truth and the true self. In devoting oneself to one of these paths, one can ultimately achieve both. The practices of meditating, renouncing worldly pleasures, and studying the scriptures are actions that lead to the wisdom of understanding the true self and to liberation from suffering. The path of Karma Yoga also leads to the same wisdom. Lord Krishna explains that in this way, the two paths lead to the same place and involve both action and gaining understanding. The difference is that some people are led by their circumstances of birth to seek the self primarily through renunciation or knowledge, and some, like Arjuna, are meant to seek it through the yoga of action. So friends, this was the summary for the chapter 5 of Bhagavad Gita. Now we shall meet in my next video with chapter 6, that is Dhyan Yoga, which means the science of self-realization. Till then, take care. Hare Krishna.